Welcome to the YouTube channel Men's Style Decree, where modern masculinity meets timeless precision. If your winter layers look bulky, unbalanced, or unintentionally sloppy, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down why your layers fail and the essential winter combinations that actually work for men over 40 in 2026. This is not about piling clothes for warmth, but about clarity, proportion, and confidence. Every layer has a purpose, and every choice sends a message. If you're ready to dress sharper, cleaner, and more intentional this winter, subscribe now and elevate your everyday style. 1. Structured contrast fixes collapsing layers. Many men over 40 layer poorly because they chase warmth instead of structure. Sloppy layering usually comes from mixing bulky pieces with soft ones, creating collapse at the shoulders and waist. The fix is disciplined contrast. Start with a fine-gauge merino base that hugs the torso. Add a lightweight flannel shirt for texture. Then finish with a short wool overshirt that ends cleanly at the hip. Each layer should have a clear job and visible edge. Winter style improves when layers stack vertically, not outward. Keep colors restrained, but intentional, allowing fabric differences to do the talking. This combination feels relaxed, breathable, and sharp, proving that winter layering succeeds through proportion, not thickness, especially for men who value polish over excess and delivers mature confidence without visual noise today. Two. Length discipline creates clean visual flow. Layering looks sloppy when garment lengths compete instead of cooperating. Men over 40 often wear pieces that overlap awkwardly, causing visual breaks across the torso. The solution is length hierarchy. Begin with a slightly extended cotton jersey tee as your base. Add a cropped knit cardigan that sits higher on the waist. Then top it with a medium-length quilted liner jacket. Each hem should step upward or downward with purpose. This creates rhythm and keeps the eye moving smoothly. In winter, clarity matters more than bulk. Neutral tones with subtle contrast prevent distraction while still feeling modern. When layers are intentionally staggered, even relaxed outfits appear refined. Clean hems communicate control, confidence, and maturity, showing that great layering depends on planning, not piling clothes together impulsively or chasing trends that ignore proportion and body balance. Three. Breathable layers prevent puffy silhouettes. One major reason winter layers look sloppy is trapped heat. When fabrics cannot breathe, they balloon and distort your outline. Men over 40 benefit from airflow, not insulation overload. Choose a lightweight thermal long sleeve as your foundation. Then add a soft brush twill shirt, finished with an unlined wool blazer. This setup regulates temperature while maintaining sharp lines. Breathable materials settle naturally on the body instead of puffing outward. Visually, this keeps the chest clean and the waist defined. The result feels relaxed yet intentional, ideal for winter days that shift between indoors and outdoors. Smart layering means adapting, not overheating. When your clothes move with your body, you look composed, not cluttered. Proper airflow preserves elegance, proving that winter layering success comes from fabric intelligence rather than adding unnecessary bulk. 4. Soft structure beats heavy padding. Heavy padding is the fastest way to destroy clean layering. Overstuffed jackets overpower inner layers and flatten your proportions. Men over 40 should prioritize soft structure instead. Start with a fitted ribbed knit sweater. Add a light poplin button-down for contrast, and finish with a softly tailored field jacket with minimal insulation. This approach keeps warmth distributed without bulk. The jacket frames the torso while allowing inner layers to remain visible. Visually, this signals control and restraint. Winter outfits appear sharper when they suggest warmth rather than advertise it. Muted earthy tones enhance maturity and reduce visual noise. When structure replaces padding, layers sit naturally and move easily. The result feels confident and practical, ideal for everyday winter wear. True elegance comes from thoughtful construction, not excessive filling that adds size without style. Five, texture separation keeps layers defined. Layering fails when fabrics blend instead of separating visually. Using similar textures causes layers to melt into one shapeless mass. Men over 40 need contrast you can see and feel. Begin with a smooth cotton mock neck as a base, add a mid-weight corduroy shirt jacket, then finish with a clean wool scarf for surface interest. Each texture reacts differently to light, creating depth without bulk. This keeps layers readable and intentional. Winter outfits benefit from tactile variation because it replaces loud color or excessive thickness. When textures are clearly distinct, the outfit looks deliberate and mature. Subtle contrasts signal experience and taste. Proper texture separation ensures your layers remain sharp, balanced, and masculine, proving that winter style is built through material awareness rather than overcomplication or unnecessary statement pieces. 6. Thin outer layers restore sharp proportions. Sloppy layering often starts with outerwear that dominates everything underneath. Men over 40 benefit from thin, controlled outer layers that preserve shape. A compact, knit hoodie worn under a lightweight technical coat creates warmth without stiffness. The hoodie softens the look, while the coat keeps lines clean. This balance avoids the bulky silhouette that makes casual winter outfits look careless. When fabrics are light but purposeful, layers stack naturally instead of competing. Color choice matters too, using calm contrasts rather than loud statements. This approach works for daily winter movement, indoors and outdoors, without constant adjustment. Proper layering should feel effortless, not restrictive. When your outer layer complements rather than overwhelms, the entire outfit reads intentional. Mature style is about editing, not adding. Thin outer layers maintain clarity, proportion, and confidence in winter casual dressing. 7. Mid-layer focus creates visual order. Many winter outfits fail because men ignore the importance of the mid-layer. Without a strong middle piece, layers feel random. For men over 40, a refined mid-layer anchors the look. A fine wool turtleneck under a lightweight suede overshirt creates warmth and visual structure. The turtleneck sharpens the neckline, while suede adds texture without weight. This combination keeps the silhouette clean and mature. Outer layers become optional, not necessary. The key is balance. Smooth against textured, fitted against relaxed. When a mid-layer carries visual interest, the outfit remains composed even indoors. This strategy prevents the constant removal of layers that disrupt style. Strong mid-layers bring cohesion and confidence. Winter layering improves dramatically when the center of the outfit is intentional and visually grounded. 8. Controlled casual prevents slouchy layers. Casual winter layering often turns sloppy when garments lose shape. Men over 40 should aim for controlled casual, not looseness. A fitted thermal polo layered beneath a soft knit zip cardigan offers comfort with structure. The collar sharpens the neckline, while the cardigan adds warmth without bulk. This pairing moves naturally and avoids the sagging effect of oversized knits. Casual winter outfits should still respect the body's lines. Neutral but warm tones enhance maturity and versatility. When casual layers fit correctly, posture improves and confidence shows. This combination works for daily routines, social settings, or relaxed work environments. Proper casual layering proves that ease and elegance are not opposites. Sloppy looks disappear when relaxed clothing is designed to follow, not hide, the body's shape. 9. Layer weight balance keeps movement clean. Layering looks sloppy when fabric weights clash. Heavy pieces pulling against light ones create drag and distortion. Men over 40 should balance weight across layers. A lightweight wool crewneck combined with a padded vest offers warmth without restricting movement. The crewneck keeps the torso streamlined, while the vest adds insulation exactly where needed. This balance allows freedom while maintaining a clean outline. Winter style benefits from strategic warmth rather than full coverage. Subtle color contrast ensures visual clarity without distraction. When fabrics cooperate, layers settle smoothly and stay in place throughout the day. This combination works for transitional winter weather and active routines. Balanced layer weight prevents constant adjustment and discomfort. Clean movement equals clean appearance, proving that smart winter layering is about harmony, not heaviness. 10. Clean necklines elevate simple layers. A cluttered neckline instantly ruins layered outfits. Men over 40 should simplify the top of the outfit to restore elegance. A refined mock neck knit paired with a lightweight cashmere cardigan creates warmth and clarity. The mock neck replaces scarves and messy collars, while the cardigan adds softness without distraction. This combination keeps attention on the face and posture. Clean necklines signal confidence and experience. Winter layering improves when excess fabric is removed from the upper chest area. Soft colors enhance approachability while maintaining polish. This setup works indoors and outdoors without adjustment. Simple necklines allow layers to breathe visually and physically. When the upper frame is controlled, the entire outfit feels intentional. Sloppy layering often begins at the neck. Fixing it transforms the whole look instantly. (11) Refined base layers stop the sloppy effect. Layering fails when the base layer is ignored. Men over 40 often start with thick or loose foundations that wrinkle and shift, making every outer layer look careless. A refined base changes everything. Using a fitted long-sleeve Henley in winter weight cotton provides warmth while staying clean against the body. Adding a lightweight wool shirt jacket on top creates structure without heaviness. This combination keeps the torso smooth and prevents bunching around the waist. The visual result is calm and intentional. Base layers should support the outfit, not compete with it. When the foundation fits properly, layers sit naturally and stay in place throughout the day. Clean winter layering begins closest to the skin. Fix the base, and the rest of the outfit aligns effortlessly, projecting maturity and quiet confidence. (12) Simple layer counts create cleaner outfits. Sloppy layering often comes from wearing too many pieces without purpose. Men over 40 benefit from restraint. A minimal two-layer system can look far sharper than complicated stacks. A fine cashmere crewneck worn under a structured cotton twill jacket delivers warmth and polish without clutter. Each layer is visible, functional, and balanced. The clean neckline keeps attention on the face, while the jacket defines the shoulders. Winter style improves when layers are intentional rather than excessive. Subtle contrast between soft knit and firm twill creates visual interest without distraction. This approach works well for daily winter wear, especially when moving between indoor and outdoor spaces. Fewer layers reduce adjustment and maintain consistency. Clean layering is not about complexity. It's about clarity, proportion, and confidence. 13. Clean casual layers improve daily wear. Casual winter layering turns sloppy when comfort replaces intention. Men over 40 should treat casual layers with the same discipline as tailored ones. A brushed cotton sweatshirt layered under a lightweight nylon coach jacket offers relaxed warmth while keeping lines clean. The sweatshirt provides softness, while the jacket adds shape and weather protection. This pairing avoids bulk and keeps movement easy. Neutral tones with depth enhance maturity without appearing dull. Casual winter outfits should still respect proportion and fit. When layers are clean and controlled, even relaxed looks appear confident. This combination works for weekends, travel, and informal social settings. Structure within casual layers prevents slouching and visual fatigue. Mature style means looking composed everywhere, not just in formal environments. Collar discipline sharpens winter layers. An open neckline often makes winter layering feel incomplete. Men over 40 benefit from collars that guide the eye upward and frame the face. A fine flannel button-up worn beneath a lightweight knit blazer creates warmth with authority. Buttoning higher cleans the neckline, while the blazer adds refinement without stiffness. This combination works well in professional or social winter settings. The key is control, not formality. Soft fabrics keep the look approachable, while structure maintains polish. When collars are intentional, layers feel finished rather than accidental. This approach eliminates the need for scarves or excess accessories. Clean collar discipline signals experience and confidence. Winter layering improves dramatically when the upper frame is treated with clarity and purpose. Balanced winter layers restore authority. Layering looks sloppy when visual weight leans too heavily in one direction. Men over 40 should aim for balance across the body. A lightweight wool half-zip knit paired with a minimalist insulated gilet distributes warmth evenly while keeping the silhouette sharp. The half-zip controls the neckline, and the gilet adds structure without bulk. This combination keeps the torso aligned and avoids puffiness. Balanced layers project authority and calm confidence. Winter outfits should feel centered, not exaggerated. Muted but distinctive colors enhance maturity without drawing unnecessary attention. When weight, texture, and fit are balanced, layers move naturally and stay composed. Symmetry in winter layering reflects experience and control, turning simple pieces into a confident, refined statement. Layering well isn't about buying more clothes, it's about making smarter decisions. When proportions are right, fabrics breathe, and combinations are intentional, winter style becomes effortless instead of frustrating. These principles are designed for men over 40 who value confidence, comfort, and visual authority without chasing trends. Apply what you've learned, simplify your wardrobe, and let your layers work together, not against you. If this guide helped you see winter style more clearly, support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to Men's Style Decree. More refined, practical style guides are coming. Stay sharp, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.